your head in a tricep extension. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, elbows high. 1, and rest there. That's it. The workout complete.
Morning, guys. You know, I was just thinking, I've not vlogged since before Christmas. Well, since last year, I guess. It's not March, that's a long time. I just really haven't been in the mood, like, at all. Being in lockdown is really hard. It's, this one has felt the most difficult. Like, last year, okay, the first one was very difficult. Like, I vlogged pretty much the whole thing and I had a couple of breakdowns. This one, I've not really had any breakdowns as such. I've just felt very unmotivated and hopeless, I guess, which has been really sad. But they have said that things should be opening up in like April to May, and then hopefully no restrictions in June. I think the past year has like made me not trust any sort of plans whatsoever. It's made me not want to book anything, do anything, because it might get cancelled. Like all the trips, I was lucky enough to go on some trips last year. They were timed very correctly, like when was legal to do so. They were all very last minute, like they weren't like, oh, let's go there like next month or whatever. It was literally like, hey, do you want to go somewhere this weekend? And it's like, yeah, let's do it. But obviously we can't do that at all at the moment because international travel is illegal. Oh, I'm going to take outfit photos with Tom today. This is like the one day where I actually get out of the house because I have sponsored content to shoot for brands and they require like high quality photography, so I have to shoot with a photographer. I don't know, some brands don't like my pictures that I take in my room in this mirror. But honestly, they're the pictures that people engage with the most. I think my most engaged pictures on Instagram are taken in my bedroom. But brands are like, no. I think it's because they want to repost it themselves and they don't like reposting like selfies in a way. But I don't see why. I think brands are too uppity and like nitpicky with what they post. And that's why their feeds feel so sterile and not, what's it called? Not personal, not relatable in a way. Sorry for this brand discussion. I've actually not used this NYX, 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 whatever. Oh no, it's NARS. I've actually not used this NARS concealer in a really long time. But I feel like it's actually a lot better than the Glossier one I've been using because it's a bit... Well, actually I have fake tan, so that's why it suits my skin more. I was going to say it suits my skin tone more, but it's because I fake tanned. He's alive.
When you're doing an editorial, when you're on set, or when you've been given a brief by, like...
I'm ready. Heading in Central. I'm just wearing the jacket for warmth. It's not actually part of the outfit, but this is a really cute jacket. It was in one of my ASOS hauls recently, if you haven't seen it. I have arrived at Oxford Circus. The sun is shining and I'm so happy. I think the sun shining has made a big difference in my mood, honestly. Tom isn't here yet. He's coming in a second, so you should see him soon. I'm just gonna wander the empty streets of Oxford. I'm just gonna wander the empty streets of Oxford Circus and hopefully find some cool places to shoot. There's Tom. Hello.
I was probably in the background of that for a second.
Being a creeper. Oh no, yeah, iconic moment. This is where the iconic Topshop store used to be. Spent many a weekend hanging around outside here trying to get model scouted when I was younger.
Really?
Never happened.
I did not know that.
Not today.
You've been waiting a long time for that. Yeah,
this has got even worse. Hey guys, I'm actually back from shooting now. now I'm gonna go to the supermarket to pick up stuff for dinner and pick up some packages. Shooting went really well. It's very sunny today, which has been really, really nice, really improved my mood. But apparently it's gonna rain tomorrow, so that's good. Good morning, guys. I just did my home workout. I had a quick shower, but I didn't want to wet my hair because I'm not going through the whole process of drying it and styling it again. I'm going to the dentist today. The dentist is still open, which is good because I have a checkup annually, I think. But I have had to go a few times for my Invisalign because I still wear a retainer when I sleep and on the bottom sometimes in the day, just to keep my teeth in line. So it's just good to get everything like checked up on, make sure everything's okay. And then when I come back, I have some sponsored YouTube content to film. So I'll get properly ready then. And that's what my morning is looking like. I just tidied my room a little bit, but I have so much stuff around, just things around. I need some other type of storage in this room, I feel. Because I just have like my desk, and then I have the shelves, and then I have the rails, but then I have all this stuff. There's just stuff everywhere. Okay guys, I'm ready to go to the dentist, but before I go, I just received a package from a shoe brand in Korea, and I just want to show you them because I'm obsessed. So here is the box. And I'm not sure how to pronounce it correctly, but I think it's like Solar Shoes? I will leave a link in the description box anyway. I have seen them on Instagram before, but I wasn't obsessed with their like boots that they did. And then I saw that they posted these recently, and I was like, oh my god, they're beautiful. And they actually offered to send them to me, so I was really, really thankful and very, very shook because they are beautiful. They're like little loafers with square toes, but with this chain detail on the front. How cute are these? Obviously not with white socks, well, not with this outfit at all, but they just look so cute. It's raining, pretty bad. It's horrible. Hey guys, been to the dentist. I went to Joe and the Juice in Carnaby Street, and the guy that worked there actually follows me, which is so sweet. It's so like surreal when I meet people that actually follow me. But it was really sweet. I got really rained on as I was coming back home, so I threw my cap on for now. I came home to a couple more packages, so I was going to show you what I got sent. The first one is drinks. You have to be only over 25 to watch this next content. If you're not over 25, then look away. No, 21. How old do you have to be to drink, Scott? 18. Oh. You have to be over 18 to view this content, okay? Because I'm going to be not promoting, but I got sent these and I would like to try them. They're called Unknown Pleasures. Ooh, loads of stickers. We have an espresso martini, a Bloody Mary, and peach iced tea. When they emailed me, I was like, ooh, I really want to try this peach iced tea one. But yeah, they're just like cocktails in a can, which is really cute. Also, I have been sent a little Bondi Sands care package. Bondi Sands and Tweezerman. So we've got Bondi Sands Liquid Gold. I don't know what this is. Self-tanning foam. Okay, so it's just tanning foam. Aero 1 Hour Express. Okay, this is what I usually use, but I never use that. It never usually says Aero on it, so that's a new one for me. Oh my god, a tanning mitt. You guys remember when I got that tanning mitt last year and it was really tacky? This is like a legit one from Bondi Sands, so that's really good. Something here as well. Bondi Sands Pure Self-Tan Foaming Water Dark. Oh honey, I don't know if this is the one for me. Self-tan foaming water. I never even heard of this one, so it'll be interesting to try this. If you guys want to see my fake tan routine, then let me know in the comments because I'd be happy to show you. Also, fake tan is a lot better for you than going on sunbeds or like staying in the sun. And also, nothing happens to me when I go on a sunbed Also, when I'm in the sun, I don't tan. So fake tan is like my only option. I've got a lot of fake tan on right now, even though I look super pale, but look at the difference between my hand and my face. Like, yes. Hey guys, so it is Thursday. My room is a mess. Don't look. Basically, I just filmed a sponsored video for Farfetch, which should already be live. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to check that out, because it's got some really, really cool pieces in it that I'm very, very excited about. And now I'm going to take some pictures in my room for Instagram, which means I have to get all that stuff out of the way so my room looks clean. So, hello again, guys. I don't know why my eyebrows look really... Scott said my eyebrows look really dark, and they do. I did tint them the other day, but they've gotten darker, which is weird. I submitted my video with Farfetch and realised that it's not due for another week. So I was super early, which is not a bad thing, but also I was like rushing around and worrying today that wouldn't have it finished. But now me and Scott just played with the rats, and now we're gonna go watch Drag Race UK. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Happy Friday. It might not seem that like dark on my camera, but look outside. And that's really annoying for me because basically I was supposed to film some content. I was supposed to film some sponsored content outside today, and that's just not gonna happen. I don't need the content by today, as usual. So we've gone for an option of filming in my room, but obviously this is the current state of my room. So I'm probably gonna spend the next hour prepping my room, getting it ready so it looks like nice and fresh. So that's my Friday morning and how it's going. Scott was making fun of me talking about tidying my room, so now we're gonna tickle him. Tickle. So I'm filming a little reels for ASOS for 3 different ways to style different denim. So I've just laid out all the outfits and preparing the corner of the room where I film, and then I'm gonna get started. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. When did I last leave you? I think I vlogged a bit on Friday morning, but then just kind of forgot. And then it was the weekend. I try and step away from work at the weekend. Like if I have stuff to post, then that's fine. I mean, I say I step away from stuff at the weekend, but I post on Saturday and Sunday on Instagram, and usually Sunday on YouTube. But this weekly vlogs should now be taking the Thursday slot on my YouTube upload schedule. But today I wanted to finish off the vlog and show you a very special delivery from Dior. Now this is just loaned, I must say. I'm just borrowing this for a couple of weeks, which I'm very, very excited about. Because it is one of the new bags, and it is the Dior Maxi saddlebag. I am so happy that they've done a maxi version of this. Just for size reference, you can see that the original saddlebag is like a fraction of the size of the new one. And although I love the saddlebag and it's iconic, a bigger version was always needed because you can't actually fit that much stuff in it, and with this you can fit a lot more. It also has this kind of like cool phone pouch on it as well, so it is a really, really nice piece. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to check it out on the Dior website. I'm just going to figure out how this actually fits on, and then I'll try it on. So I just checked the images on the website and it would be like this. So you'd have the buckle at the front, and then you'd have the bag there at the back with the phone pouch just there. The phone pouch is detachable as well, so you don't have to keep it on. But yeah, so I'm very excited to style that and try that out over the next few weeks. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Like I said, I will be weekly vlogging from now on, so every Thursday should be a vlog upload, and then every Sunday should be a more kind of fashion orientated video. If you enjoyed this, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.